watching Let's Chat.
If you are in the field of medicine or considering a career in medicine, pay close attention to what these two ladies have to say. Joining us from CHI Memorial, we have Rebecca Taylor, who is here in the center. Rebecca is the Memorial Hospital Director of the Emergency Department. No pressure on your shoulders whatsoever. And we also have nursing operations supervisor. What's your
I'm
position?
a fellowship coordinator.
Fellowship coordinator. And this is Valerie Vargo. So ladies, it's good to have you here both with us. CHI Memorial offering a certified emergency nurse exam review course. This has got to be a tough nut to crack.
So essentially what we're trying to do is get all of our nurses in the region operating at the highest caliber of their scope. And so you wouldn't want a physician that's caring for you that's not, you know, having the most education in their belt that they possibly can. We feel the same about nursing. So you want a nurse that's taking care of you, that's an expert in their field, and that's what this course hopes to provide, is giving our nurses that certification behind their...
I've long said that nurses are the ones who do the really heavy lifting when it comes to medicine anyway, regardless of whether it's in a hospital setting or not. Valerie, give us a few of the topics that will be covered in this emergency nurse exam review.
So everything from trauma to, we talk about different common presentations that you have, so pulmonary emergencies that you will see, any kind of toxicological emergencies you might see, anything that you would really see walk through the front door in the ER. It covers every single topic over the span of 2 days.
Anything that you two haven't seen in the ER?
No.
I would imagine not. And really, when you think about all the things that are possible in an emergency room situation, you all have seen and treated them all. Our hats are off to you for that, and we thank you for your service. It says here that this course has a pass guarantee. Tell me what this means exactly.
So what that means, this is one of the harder certification exams to sit for as a nurse. And so a lot of people are daunted by it and they say, I don't even want to attempt. What this 2-day course does is, with the price of your sign up for it, if you take the certified nurse exam and you don't pass it on the first test, this test prep agency will give you your money back guaranteed.
Wow.
So it's a 100% pass rate. They know that what they're giving you are the answers to the test, and you will walk out with the certification behind your name, or they'll give you your money back.
Professionally speaking, how does this help you further on into your medical career?
Well, it makes you stand out among emergency nurses. People that attend the review say that they gain a wealth of knowledge, up to 90% more knowledge than what they came in with.
Wow.
They also, within CHI, there's a lot of bonuses. So if you have a board certification, you are allotted, if you work at least part-time hours, you are allotted 2 education days, so you will get paid your normal nursing wage to attend classes for 2 days in a fiscal year. You will also get $400 for education. So you get $400 towards whatever you're doing, whether that's recertifying for your CEN, or that is attending another certification class or TNCC.
This sounds like an amazing program for those who are already nurses and want to up their game a little bit. But overall, this brings a huge bump to the field of medicine, especially at CHI Memorial overall, correct?
Correct. But this is not just a CHI offering.
Right.
So Erlanger, Park Ridge, some of our nursing students that are at Chat State or Lee University, they can also attend if you're looking to maybe go into emergency nursing. This is a crash course, pun intended, in everything emergency services. Or for anybody that's looking for continuing education credits, to get re-up their licensure, they can get education hours that they need to maintain their nursing license.
Is there limited attendance for this exam review?
No.
So the more the merrier. You just got to make sure and get your name in the hat, right?
Yep, and people can actually come walk in that day and register that day and pay that day.
Wow. And is it a 1-day or a 2-day exam?
It's 2 days.
2 days.
Yep.
Wow. For those of you who can and do pass this, good luck. Ladies, we thank you for taking it and passing it. Again, we have Rebecca Taylor and Valerie Vargo, both of these fine ladies with CHI Memorial. Stick around. We're back with more of Let's Chat right after this.